minute, but I'm back. It's your girl Deru, and here's another hair video. So, in this video, I am just showing you guys what I do when I'm preparing to put on my wigs and whatnot. It's already been washed, and I had it like in 4 big plaits, and then I had to run an errand, so I took it out. I took the plaits out and I just threw it up in a bun. So that's why it's, in this state. Just doing a quick length check. Still the same. You couldn't see it on the video, so I inserted a picture. It took me forever to get tailbone length, but that's another story for another video. So anyway, I know that I need my ends clipped, but I didn't do it in this video because it was like 2 o'clock in the morning when I was doing this. So I was already sleepy, and I was just ready to be done with it. I had somewhere to go the next day, and so I needed to plop my wig on. So I'm not going to talk through this whole video. Yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. When I take these braids down and wash it, that's when I'll clip my ends. So maybe I'll record that on how I clip my ends. But yeah, enjoy the video. I might come back and say something, I might not. But yeah, hope you enjoy this video. Talk to you later. Okay, so here I was getting ready to apply my foundation. Now, this foundation is one that I use. It's like it's a go-to of mine. It's actually my what is it called? I want to say Urban Decay, the Naked. I think it's the Naked Urban Decay, and it's the shade 8.0. So as I was putting it on, I don't know, just it looked too dark for me. Like when I put it on my face, it blends in with my skin, like it matches perfectly. But I guess putting it on that color wig cap, it just, I don't know, it didn't work. It wasn't matching. So I ended up just cutting it off because I didn't like how it looked. It wasn't working. So anyway, I cut it off. And usually, like with this hair, when I put this wig on, because I bleached the knots on the frontal, I don't even wear a cap underneath, really. So I just wanted to try something different to see if the cap made a difference or whatever. I don't know. But the foundation didn't match, it didn't work. So I was like, yeah, well, whatever. I'll just wear it without it since I have before. I didn't show it on here, but I ended up taking the other half of the cap off. Like I pulled it off from the back, because it was just half of a cap on my head. So I just took it off. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. So we are at the end of this video. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Thank you for the support. Thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you for the new subscribers. See ya.